On this video, we're going to look at the income section. So let's click on income from your home screen. And this looks pretty complicated, but it's really not if you look at it. You can scroll across, and this essentially provides you 12 months for 3 years of 12 monthly inputs of business information. As mentioned on the other video, all of your business information for your products and services are carried across. So you can see them here. You can't edit any of these. You can only enter what's in the white cells. So for every product, you enter a price, a sales commission rate. You can put a 0, but we give you the ability to factor in sales commissions if you use third-party services or you pay commissions for your products, and your COGS. And you should hopefully know that this is cost of goods sold. So you fill this in for each of your products. And services do the same thing. Now you can do your revenue in a couple of different ways. One is you can use an estimate of what you think you're going to sell each month for each of your products, and this is great if to help you really pin down. Like you can say, for our first month, 2 e-commerce websites, 3 standard websites, 6 marketing funnels, and such. So as you put numbers in, the revenue number will change. If I make this to a 3, as you can see, it changes automatically. We make this a little bigger. I'll go back to 2, and you can see what happens as I put the number in. Everything is automatically updated. So you can do this for each month, and this is great if you're seasonal and you expect to have bigger months, better months, or lesser months, or months where you're not even doing any business. So you can factor all that in, and it'll give you your total. You can do this for each of your 3 years for all your products and services. One of the other way you can enter revenue is, let's say you already know some revenue, you have it from a prior year, and you didn't want to break it all down. Well, if this says like an estimate of $6,000 for the month here, so if I really know, okay, it was $6,000, I just type that in. Notice all the calculated values go to 0. Your quantity's still there that you put in, but it's going to use $6,000. And instead of the cost of goods sold, you just put it in manually. So now this, what was blacked out before, is now not. So you can then enter your cost of goods sold. So if you take this out, just delete this from here, you go back to your calculated values. So you can do this for any months, you can or all months that you want to just run a rough cut of expected revenue and cost of goods. So let's take a scroll down and look at your services. One of the other nice features that we have, this tool, our Business Finance Analyzer, has a lot of checks and balances to help make sure you don't present overly rosy forecast. You'll find out on another tab what your maximum quantity is for services. And I'll explain that later, but the point here is that this number for any of your services shows you the max you can have for any month for that year. So if there's a problem, you'll see where it'll show in red. And now I don't know we have that anywhere in this example. I don't think we do, but if you did, it would show up in red, meaning that you're forecasting more products that you can sell or services that you can deliver than you're factoring or accounting for later on. So I don't really see an issue here, but keep that in mind. You'll see about this in the instructions. So this is an overview of how this works. Now, also for each year, you can put in your non-operating income, because outside of your product sales and services sales, you also can have interest income for your business rental income, gifts, donations, or grants, or other. So this is not operating income, so it goes in separately. There's instructions right here on how to use the income planner, and you do have some charts that are right on the page. So as you can see, revenue percentage by product, it'll break it out for year 1, year 2, percentage by products and services for year 1, and the overall top 10 products and services combined, percent of total sales. So this helps you be able to understand where your money is coming from. So these are pretty cool tools to have, instructions on how to use the charts. Again, this is all covered in the overall instructions. The purpose here is to give you an overview of how you're able to figure out or estimate your revenue by using unit prices and quantity and putting in cost of goods sold and commission rates. Thank you.